Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy A20s. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store, inside find Microsoft Edge. When it's ready you can open a browser. Here sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And now you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.